Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Category 1, you can see on the screen details like room size, red type, room highlight, facilities, amenities and images, etc. Room category 2. To discuss the amenities of this property, as you can see on the screen. In this resort, two type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the property is excellent and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. This property is and checkout time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this property along with different meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. Any problem booking this property, will drop a comment. Want to get more details about this resort, please check link in description box. If you have checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, will meet again.